We're here for part 2 of this video. Poppa Sr jumped on this big John Deere, the front end loader. Didn't show in part 1 here him strapping these down, but he strapped these. He got number 7 on the back here. You see him right there loaded up. He's backing right around here, this bad boy, to get her lined up. Getting out here, unstrapping these straps on this thing. Them things are a pain to get loose sometimes, I think. Get them good and tight to hold that hay where it ain't falling off on the road, you know. You wind up with something else. Coming back over here to get on this John Deere. Good old John Deere green. Poppa Sr Hay hauling. He brought it right by her head there. Going in the barn right here. Kind of get a good look at this. See if we can get a little bit of shot of this video. Going from light to dark here, and we'll see how this goes. Done got some hay in the barn. He's sticking this up here, way up here on top. Done. Big old stack right there, done in here, but getting more in here for the winter. Get these cows fed up. They like that in the cold weather and the snow. All that, sun shining in here. Definitely the right part of the day for this kind of stuff. A little bit tough to see this transition between light and dark here. Definitely tough on that. Kind of give you a general idea. He's parked down here into something here. Taking some more of these straps loose. Getting this load of stuff off of here. It's quite a bit of process. Have to do this several times over and over. Helps to have a tractor on both ends doing it. Them old straps is difficult for sure. He got in between the camera and it. He didn't want to see that more, didn't want to show that off no more. He got her loose now. Throwing her across the truck. A little bit of mix of sunshine and shade over here in the barn lot on the video here. Apologize for that. Just have to do it right where we're at. The shade feels good though being here, I'll tell you that. A whole lot cooler right here than it was out in that sunshine. Rain hanging out here everywhere. Setting that in here on the ground. Yeah, it takes a little while to load and unload this hay, especially in the tight quarters here. Just want to show a little bit of this for everybody. These barns and barn lots and stuff was built back before really it was using this big of hay equipment, you know. We're up there getting back. Probably seen to run them controls up here. Focus right in on that. Blowing a little of that diesel smoke out of that John Deere right there. Them big Cummins and them Dodges and stuff ain't got nothing on no John Deere to. Here's number 5 coming in this go around. We'll step down here kind of out of the way before we get our honey and run over. Sr. right here. Grab this. Throw that strap out of the way just a little bit for him. He didn't want to stab in that bell right there. Being difficult. Poppa Sr. putting it in the barn right here. Got it set up there. How many more trips that you got there, Poppa Sr.? He's got out here in the sunlight here, and we can't.
9 more at least.
Like 9 more of those. So this is Big Poppa Customs. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Thanks for watching. God bless you, and have a good day.